What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are heading to a car show in Rancho San Diego, or is it actually, sorry, that's Rancho Santa Fe. You can see I'm with the LC 500 over there to the left, and I got Frank over here with the Fuji Speedway Edition RCF. We are just cruising out together, gonna enjoy this nice show, and yeah, bring you guys along for the journey. See if we see some cool cars there, which I'm sure we will, because this show always has the richest folks coming out to it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so as we're on our way up here, updates for the car. So I'm going to Toyota Fest. That's like end of June, I believe. Yeah, end of June. Some stuff I'm going to do. I'm finally, if you've been with the channel for a while, you know I've had these replacement leather white seats for the car for almost probably 6 months to a year now, and I just never installed them. So I'm going to be putting those on, so it's going to be perfect for the car show. And that's over in Long Beach, Toyota Fest. If you're going, and you'll see the car there, you'll see this orange LC here, and you'll see the Fuji Speedway RCF there as well. Then I have a new mid pipe coming in, finally putting some resonators back on this car. With this mid pipe, love the way it sounds, but at a certain RPM, like the resonance is like, it's almost ear piercing, it feels like to me. So gonna be switching that out, something that's a little more tolerable, and it's still gonna sound good. This time it's gonna have an X pipe, so it should be a little higher pitched. I'll do an exhaust video before and after of that. And then, is there anything I'm gonna be doing? Can't remember. If I remember, I'll let you guys know.
Of Javier driving the ISF down in the lake.
Yeah.
But they're focusing on the ND or NE or whatever it is.
Yeah. Get this one over here too.
Try not to be in your shop.
It's all good. I like that one.
You know the person who's not there. So, the person who's not going to be able to ask the question.
right, so we are heading back down home, so we get to enjoy a little bit more of this curvy road a bit. Let's see if we get some sounds of this 600 LT taking off. We get to hear that 600 LT take off again. Little underpass, get to hear the exhaust a little more before we end this video. Alrighty, well, probably a good point to end the video at, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video. Oh, you guys, extra video because I did skip a week, so stay tuned for that. And then next week I'm going to be doing a little bit of a photo shoot with some car cruising, and I'm going to be test driving an ISF with full bolt-on, so that'll be pretty interesting. I've never driven one before, pretty excited for that. But yeah, Stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.